Today we're exploring some of the most beautiful islands around Siargao, and the best way to do that is by island hopping. It takes you from remote beaches to untouched landscapes, all just a short boat ride away. We don't want to waste any time, so we're heading straight out. Our first stop is Corregidor Island. Corregidor is the largest of the islands we're visiting today, just south of Siargao. From General Luna, the boat ride usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on sea conditions and boat speed. But the moment you step onto its shore, you're greeted by soft white sand and crystal clear waters stretching as far as the eye can see. Water shifts from turquoise near the shore to deep blue further out, hinting at the reefs surrounding the island, home to vibrant marine life. Most people come here not just to swim, but to hike. A short trail winds across the island, taking us up to breathtaking views of the ocean and surrounding islands. The hike itself is easy, taking around 20 to 30 minutes. But hiking in the heat can be a bit different, so it's a good idea to bring some water to stay hydrated along the way. What sets Corregidor Island apart from other nearby islands is its unique landscape. Instead of only sandy beaches, the island is dotted with rolling green hills covered in palm trees, creating a scenery that's both peaceful and strikingly beautiful. From the top, the view opens up in every direction. Rolling green hills stretch across the island, surrounded by deep blue ocean and smaller islands scattered in the distance. It feels very different from places like Palawan. While Palawan is known for its dramatic cliffs and limestone formations, here it's all about open space, soft hills, and endless greenery. Standing up here, you really get a sense of how raw and untouched this part of the Philippines still is. You'll also notice a few small huts scattered across the island. A few locals still call this island home. It adds a real sense of authenticity of this beautiful island. After the hike, we made our way back down to the beach. The shoreline here is wide and quiet, lined with palm trees that give just enough shade from the sun. The water is incredibly clear. You can easily see the sand beneath your feet, with gentle waves moving across the surface. After some relax on the beach, lunch was already waiting for us. A beautiful buffet set up right on the sand. Local dishes spread out, fresh and inviting, with Siargao spelled out from the food itself, a playful little touch. Corregidor Island was a great start. A large island with a beautiful landscape and a completely different feel from what you might expect. But we're not done yet. Let's keep going. We're moving between the islands on a traditional Filipino bangka boat. One thing we noticed right away, these boats feel a bit different from the ones in Palawan. And here we are, Naked Island. A small sandbar with nothing but white sand and open sea all around. There are no trees, no shade, no buildings, just a stretch of white sand completely exposed in the middle of the ocean. Especially during the hot season, you'll probably spend most of your time in the water. It's basically the only way to stay cool under the sun on this open sandbar. And the water, it's incredible. Perfect for swimming or even exploring the underwater world just off the shore. One of the most unique stops around Siargao. Completely exposed. Depending on the tide, its shape and size can slightly change, sometimes stretching further out into the sea. Because of how open it is, you get uninterrupted views in every direction. Now we're moving on to our next stop, the stunning Daku Island. Unlike the smaller islets, Daku has a wide stretch of white sand beach and plenty of space to move around, with palm trees lining the shore and calm, turquoise water that's perfect for swimming or even snorkeling. It's also one of the islands where you can grab a fresh seafood lunch prepared right here, often served in simple beach huts under the shade of the trees. A taste of local life mixed with that classic island vibe. Handful of locals living here on this island, giving Daku a quiet, authentic feel. But there aren't any formal hotels or big resorts on the island. Most people return to General Luna for accommodation. This means you can enjoy the wide, sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and relaxed island vibe almost to yourself. With Daku behind us, we set off again, the bangka cutting through the waves. Just a short ride away, Gam Island pops up on the horizon, small, secluded, and waiting to be discovered. What makes Guam Island stand out from the other islands around Siargao is its size. It's small enough to walk around in just a few minutes, yet still has its own unique character. There's no big community or development here, but a few locals have set up small huts, swings, and even spots for volleyball or basketball, showing how much you can fit on such a tiny island. Guam must be arguably the most popular little island near Siargao, making it one of the most Instagram-worthy spots on the entire island-hopping route. It is also the closest island from General Luna, so you can reach it quickly from the main pier without needing a full island-hopping tour. We've arrived here in the afternoon, and as you can see, with the tide going out, the island doesn't quite show its full beauty, and the water isn't perfect for swimming. If you're planning a visit mainly for a beach day, it's best to come earlier in the morning. Since we had other islands on our itinerary, unfortunately we missed the ideal time here. Thanks for tagging along. Exploring the islands around Siargao is absolutely incredible, and for us, Corregidor Island will always be the standout. Can't wait to take you on the next adventure. See you in the next video.